catastrophic failure shatters the morning quiet. Amidst the wreckage and dust, submerge.
Get back, they're coming through! Oh God, get back! They're inside. Get the kids back!
Help us, somebody help! Get out of here!
Get back, get out of there! Oh God, the chickens! Look out, get back!
Somebody do something! They're killing them!
Get out of there, shoot!
Leave the chickens alone!
Get away from them!
Get away from there! Please, we need help! The snakes are taking over the farm!
Dispatch, we are approximately 2 minutes out from the Miller farm. Advise if the python has been secured.
I need air support and immediate backup at the farm.
He's heavily armed and moving fast.
We have visual. Repeat, visual on the targets. Do not engage.
Copy that. Perimeter secure.
Everybody back, now!
They're everywhere. Please help them.
Keep your distance. They are highly aggressive. Secure the perimeter. This is Officer Davis. We need Fish and Wildlife response now. I repeat, immediate response. The pythons are loose in the barn. We have civilians trapped. We need specialized assistance at the Miller farm now. Multiple giant pythons.
Copy that. Dispatching wildlife control. Keep civilians back.
Dust signature is heavy. Hold on.
We are en route to the extraction point. Estimated time, 5 minutes.
We are arriving, sir.
I've got the head secured. Get the bag ready.
Bringing it around now. Careful, he's strong.
All right, easy now. Get the head secured.
Got it. Moving to the bag.
Watch the tail, it's heavy. Secure the ropes. All packages secured. We are ready for lift.
Copy. Rescue team, maintain security perimeter. Lift is a go.
Crate secured. All clear for lift.
Roger that. Lifting the load now.
En route to the extraction point.
Hold steady. Easy now. We're clear. Bring it down.
We can't thank you enough. Thank you, truly, truly.